What's the meaning of cohesive? Cohesive. Cohesive.
Cohesive. Cohesive. Cohesive refers to the quality of being unified or consistent. When something is cohesive, all its parts work together in harmony to create a sense of wholeness. This can apply to anything from a written piece that flows well and maintains a clear focus, to a team that collaborates effectively and communicates seamlessly. Cohesiveness creates a sense of stability and strength, making it an important characteristic in many aspects of life, including relationships, organizations, and communities. Overall, cohesive elements work together in a coordinated and integrated way, producing a sense of unity and completeness.